Hello, friends, and welcome back to my session of Standard 8 Mathematics NCERT book. Here, we are following our lesson number 5, in which we are discussing about data handling. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed about telemark and bar graph. Now, here we are also discussing about the telemark, where large scale data is given to us, and with class interval, means we have to segregate this observation into class interval, and how we can do the telemark with the help of class interval and segregate this random given data, haphazard given data. There is a 60 student in a classroom 8, and marks of mathematics subjects out of 50 scored by 60 students of standard 8. Now, as per the roll number wise, the sheet is in front of you. From roll number wise, haphazard marks are obtained, means different marks are obtained by different student out of 50. So, suppose first roll number got 21. So we have to this much large scale, हर एक का रोल नंबर 1 2 3 ऐसा करके नीचे नीचे जाएंगे. सो क्लास इंटरवल 1 2 3 4 ऐसे लेने की जगह पर हम लोग ने ले लिया 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. So we have segregated this. So how many students have got marks from 0 to 10? That way. How many students have got marks from 10 to 20? How many students have got marks from 20 to 30? How many students have got marks from 30 to 40? So this way we can go till 60 roll numbers. Okay. Now, first of all, we will proceed for, suppose 0 to 10 स्कोर करने वाले में फर्स्ट रोल नंबर है 20. सो 20 विल गो कहाँ चला जाएगा? इट विल गो ओवर हियर. कहाँ आ जाएगा बेटा? 21 दिया हुआ है, सो इट विल बी हियर, 20 और 30 के बीच में. क्लियर? सो ये शीट ऊपर नीचे करनी पड़ रही है. आई जस्ट उसको मैंने अलग से कागज़ में लिख कर आपके लिए रखे हुए हैं, तो मैं ला रहा हूँ. ठीक है? जस्ट आई शो इट टू यू. So friends, I have adjusted some the screen. So this is class interval for marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay. Now first line, first 10 roll numbers are given to us. So first one child has scored 21 marks. So it will be coming in between 20 to 30. Then 10 marks. So 10 marks upper interval. यहाँ के यहाँ, here only. Okay. So here one telemark. 30. So 30 will be common for both है, तो upper limit. Clear? Then 22. 22 तो सीधा आ जाता है 20 और 30 के बीच में. Okay. Then 33. 33 तो obviously 30 40 बीच में. Then 5. 5 is obviously 0 to 10. Then 37. It will be obviously 30 to 40 between. Then roll number 12 marks. So 12 marks will be 10 to 20. Then 25 marks, so it will be between 20 to 30. Similarly 42 marks, so 42 marks will be more than 40 and between 40 and 50. So again 42 तो यहाँ चला जाएगा. In the next line 15, 1 5 15 over here, second part. Then it is 39, so 39 will be here. Clear? 30 to 40. 26 in the second between 20 to 30. अब देखो यहाँ पे 4 हो चुकी है, तो 5 आएगा तो क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? 32 यहाँ चला जाएगा, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 4 है, सो आई हैव टू मेक इट दिस वन. हाँ, आप इसको याद रखने के लिए कभी कभी क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू लाइक दैट. इसको स्ट्राइक ऑफ करते जाइए, विच वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. क्लियर? सो टिल 32 वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. Now roll number 18. So 18 marks. So 18 marks between 10 and 20. Okay, telemark done. I can strike off like this. 27 it will be between 20 and 30. 4 हो चुके, तो fifth one like this. So 27 also. 28 again, 28 over here, new one. Then 19. Okay, so 19 will be कहाँ जाएगा, like this. तो 4 हो चुके, तो fifth one here. then 29. So 29 will be here, है ना. 35. So 35 will be 30 और 40 के बीच में 4 5 हो चुके हैं, तो एक नया लाइन. Okay. Similarly, I can proceed for the next line, that is 31. Okay. So 31, it will be between these two, 30 and 40. 24. So थोड़ी speed increase करूँगा. Then 36. So 36 over here. Then 18, it will be like here. 20, दो 20 होता है तो higher limit में चले जाओ. Yes. Then 38. So here it will be. तो ये भी 4 हो चुके हैं, ये भी 4, अब नया आएगा. Then 22. So 22 will be here and it will be 5. Then 44. So 44 in the new limit. 40 to 50. Then the number is 16. 16 will be here. Then it will be 24. So 20 or 30 के बीच में, and 5 already complete. Then new line. Then it is 10. Similarly, दो लिमिट में से कौन सा अपर लिमिट? Clear? 27. So it will be here. 39 here. 4 हो चुके तो 5. ये ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. 4 हो चुके तो 5. Then 28. अभी थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर लेता हूँ. 28. So 28 होगा, it will be between these two, 20 and 30. Then 49 will be here. Then again 29 will be here. Clear? 32 will be more than this. So 23 will be 1 2 3 4 and the fifth one here. Clear? Then 31. So 31 will be here, 30 and 40 between, and 21 will be between 20 to 30 and new one, because already 5 का set हो चुका है. Now similarly we can go for the last and second last line. So here you will find 34. So it will be 30 to 40 between. Then 22 will be here. Then it will be 23. Again 23 will be here. Then 36 will be here. So 24 again here. So slowly and gradually when you increase your speed, थोड़ा ध्यान रखना गलती ना हो जाए. 36 मार्क, 36 तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, और 4 हो चुके हैं, एक और, ठीक है. अगेन 33 it will be here only but new line. So 47, so 47 it will be between 40 and 50. Okay, then 48 again still here, 4 completed, then 5 will be like this. Then 50 again new one. Similarly 39, so it will be 39 means 30 और 40 के बीच में. क्लियर? थोड़ा सा ऊपर करता हो तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाए. ओके फाइन. सो 20 2 कॉमन होता है तो हायर लिमिट. सो अगेन 4 हो चुके हैं तो 5th वन. देन इट इज 7 विल बी इन द फर्स्ट लिमिट. देन 16 विल बी इन द सेकेंड लिमिट. देन इन द 36 मीन्स यहाँ पर 30 और 40 के बीच में ऑलरेडी हियर. देन इट इज़ 45, सो 40 and 50 के बीच में, बिटवीन दिस 47. सो अगेन हियर बिटवीन 40 to 50. 30 कॉमन आ जाता है. So it will be for higher limit considered, and this one. Clear? So 22, again 22 is over here between 20 and 30, and the last one is given 17. So again this 17 will be between how much? 10 to 20. So 4 है तो यहाँ पर एक और. Clear? Now we can count this to 2, 0, 2, then 5, so 10. Easy for us to count. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 21. Here how much? Students, this is marks. This ये किसका बोल रहे हैं? Marks. And this is number of students. So 0 to 10 में 2 students आए. Frequency 2. 10 to 20 मार्क्स स्कोर करने वाले 10 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. नंबर ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. क्लियर? होप सो. नो डाउट टू यू ऑल. 20 से 30 मार्क्स स्कोर करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स आर 21 नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो दिस वे वी आर प्रोसीडिंग. सो 5, 10, 15 plus 4 that is 19. 5 plus 3 8. And if we do the addition of all this, so 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 8 20, 0 and carry over 2 plus 2 4, 5 and 6 means 60. So number of students is, total number of students 60. So our telemark is also okay, frequency also okay. Now using this, you can draw bar graph also. बना सकते हो? Clear? Using this frequency and class interval, you can draw bar graph like for this. Okay? This will be on the x-axis. This part will be frequency on the y-axis. Hope so. Clear to all. Thank you. God bless you all. See you in the next lecture. Please subscribe the channel.